And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a different location now. This will be the beginning of a new location that I'm having, because my place is starting to look together. I moved, well, actually in today's video you're gonna see me move certain things because I'm rearranging my room, and it's gonna look more like an office and less of a room for the time being. It's only temporary. I'm gonna finally get a bed in here, but for now it's gonna look more like an office and less of a room. And currently I have a client that's coming in on Tuesday, and holy crap, I'm gonna put like a video of what it looks like right now as I'm doing this videoing of what it looks like right now, like in a clip, maybe somewhere around here or somewhere around there, I don't know. But I literally have, my room is a little bit in shambles, and it's only just because I have to like put stuff away and like completely empty out the place and get it set up so it can look more like an office space. And then it'll be ready for Tuesday. In today's video, you're gonna see me go through that whole emotional change of it turning from what it is now, or what you saw in the video, to more of a approachable office space. And it's gonna look nice. Hopefully my client's gonna like it, and I hope I finish on time, because sometimes I'm behind schedule within 24 hours or something, and I really hate when I'm late, but I'm trying to work on making sure I'm not late, so I am going to keep pushing at it. What else I gotta say? I'm just like pretty excited on how the progress is going along, because once I finish this, I can get to making more videos about other important stuff I need to do. So like, wish me luck, and just stay tuned to watch the process. Yo, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I've been back. This is something I'm recording now, by the way, if you're not wondering. But yes, welcome back. Welcome to a new year, and this is my first video of the new year. And in this process, as you can see, I'm really getting into the room. I'm getting rid of my mattress, which I officially did. I'm like putting stuff away, and it is coming along pretty well. I hope everybody had a good New Year's, and I'm looking forward to the new projects that I will be showing on this channel to you guys. So that's another thing I'm looking forward to. I am experiencing change in my whole life. I got some new underwear, and I'm enjoying it. Am I used to it? No. I'm not used to the different lifestyle I live. I'm not used to this version of myself, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with just not being used to it, and I'm okay to just like working it out, working it through, working to get used to this type of person. Because change is good. It's okay to like be once at one point a person who didn't have it all together, to a person who literally has it all together. And people think that those types of people are just born like that. No, sometimes you gotta practice it. Sometimes you gotta keep doing it. Sometimes you gotta want to do it. When you really want it, it happens. And oh my goodness, my place is together now. And now I have this clear office space that you can see. Thank you for watching with me. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.